Going to do another grow, this time red acre cabbage. So I got my scale on. I need to zero out the container I'm going to use to spread the seed. And then I'm going to put the broccoli seed in there and I'll show you how much I'm going to grow. There you go, 45 grams. Seeds on the dry, we're going to soak it down. Soak it down nice and thoroughly. It's not fungus on these red acre cabbage. It's a good example of showing root hairs. Alright, our red acre cabbage is at the height I want it. We're going to uncover it now and expose it to light. Alright everybody, let's get to harvesting this thing. I've got the camera turned at this angle, hopefully to keep some of the wind out, but maybe you can see by the microgreens here. We have a little bit of wind. And so I kind of got to do this outside. And all I'm going to do is cut these and put them in the bucket here. So, like always, I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to sit here and watch me do all this. Alright, I'm back, and I could have got closer. I'm just a little bit afraid I'm going to hit the screen here, and let me show you how easy this screen is to clean. This is going to go to the worms, by the way. This screen is the medium screen, and it is PVC coated polyester. PVC coated polyester. It's not the vinyl coated fiberglass. That's too pretty a microgreen to leave out. Alright, that's got the majority of it. Now what I typically do after this, I'm not going to do it because I just had a shower and we're getting ready to go out, but what I typically do now is I just take it over to the side of the deck or a hard surface. These screens are extremely durable, and I just pop it against it, and that knocks everything out, and then all you have to do is just wash it. So let me gather up the rest of the worm food here, and then we'll take in the microgreens and get a weight on them. Okay? It's one of the more colorful ones, isn't it? It's very beautiful. Alright, it's weight time. Last grow was sunflowers. I I compared this to the scale outside and it's pretty dang accurate. So let's turn it on. We're going to put a glass on there for the sole purpose of elevating the microgreens. And I got 2 tubs here. This one's an empty one obviously, and this one is identical. So we're going to put the empty one on here just to zero out the scale. And what that does is that removes the weight from this one that has the microgreens. So next weight that you see will be nothing but microgreens. And that's what we're going to put on now. Okay, that is 610 grams. I hope that's viewable in the camera. 21.5 ounces. 1.34 pounds. Again, 610 grams, 21.5 ounces. That's a pretty good weight. Alright. I'll take you up here so you can see him. Nothing nefarious going on. 21.5. Let's pull this aside here. And we're going to rummage through this. You can see that there's nothing in there but beautiful, beautiful microgreens. And I do this just to show you. Because some people are skeptical of other people, and there's probably good cause for that. But anyway, let's do a taste of these bad boys, and then we'll conclude the video. This is red Acre cabbage. I've not eaten these before. Oh man, that's good. You know what it tastes like? If you follow me long enough, you'll know my answer. It tastes like cabbage. It tastes like cabbage. It's awesome. It's got a hint of, it's not pepper spice, but it's got a hint of spice that's cabbage-esque. You know, what cabbage tastes like raw. It's good stuff. Really good stuff. This is Brent, you guys. We'll see you later.